Oh, you're back. Welcome in, my free at last family. It's always my pleasure to come on here and greet you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whichever one you happen to be watching this video. I always love getting on here and spending time with you guys and showing you guys different tints, different products, and just taking you guys on our free at last journey. Today is somewhat of a special video. I had a company reach out to me. That company happened to be Wurkkos, and they sent me a right angle flashlight, which is the HD03. And so we're going to get into it today, go over the UI. We're going to talk about some use cases and share with you how I am going to use this flashlight in my everyday life and some recommendations of how you can use it as well. So we'll bring you back right after the intro.
I'll take you anywhere, just tell me I'll be there. We don't need a plan, I like it unprepared. Whatever comes our way, we'll stay there for the day. So dream, dream away.
Okay guys, and we're back. And so, like I said in the beginning, we have the Wurkkos right angle flashlight, the HD03. Let's take a look at the box. It says here that we have 680 lumens, a beam distance of 180 meters, and it has multicolor RGB lights, and it comes in at 49 grams. You can pause this if you want to look at the specs, but not too much going on. So let's bring out the unboxing knife and see what we got inside. Okay, you have some instructions, tell you how to use the light. You have your user manual, contents, English. Okay. So you have that. In the back, you have your charging cable. USB-C to USB-C, and you have your lanyard, nice looking lanyard. Oh, okay, you have two little lanyards. You got a large paracord style lanyard, and then you have a little small lanyard. See that? And then we got the good stuff. We have the flashlight. Okay guys, so let's take a close look at this light. So right away you can see that you have multiple LEDs. You have 9 LEDs going around the perimeter, and then you have 1 LED in the center. And that's going to be for your floodlight indication and for your spotlight. And there you just move that switch up and down to select that mode. Here at the top of the flashlight, you have your charging port, and that's USB Type-C. Over here on the other side is your power button, and then in the back you have your clip. Now this clip feels very sturdy, so it doesn't feel like it's going to come off. It has the rubber pad on the inside for grippage, and it also have a magnet that you can put it on a vehicle or any type of metal surface if you want to use it that way. So let's take a look at the UI. So when you first get the light, you hit the power button, it's going to blink twice. So that's letting you know that it's in lockout mode. So what you want to do is triple press the power button. So it brings the flashlight on. So it brings the flashlight on in low mode. If I hold down the power button, it should cycle through the mode. So that's low, medium, high, and then turbo, which is 680 lumens. And guys, I tell you, that is very bright. I don't know if the video is doing it justice. If I hit the button one more time, it turns the flashlight off. Okay, so turn the light on, hit the button one time, and you also see your battery charge indicator light. So it was green, indicating that our battery is good, and then it goes out. So if we hit the button, let's get it in high mode for a second, or medium, and then come over. And so right now it's in floodlight. So if I hit the switch up, then it goes to spotlight. So you can see the hot spot of the light. If I hit it down, then it goes to flood. Very nice and simple UI user interface for this light. Now let's get into the RGB. So with the light off, what you want to do is double click the power button, and then you get the RGB mode. And if you hold down the power button, it should cycle through different color variations. I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's cycling through different color variations. And then if you double click the power button, it'll go through different modes. So if I double click again, and if I just keep double clicking, it'll pan through different modes. So here's sort of going through the different colors very slow. And then you hit the button one more time just to turn it off. Okay, so once you hit the button one time, when you're selecting which mode you want, you hit it and it'll keep it in that mode, and then you hit it again and it'll turn it off. And then when you hit it one more time, it'll be back in regular mode. Here's where the HD03 shines. It allows you to be hands-free when completing nighttime tasks, and it also helps to make sure your presence is known for any traffic that may be near. Now here, we're suiting up to take our late night stroll in the park. Another perfect opportunity to use this light. The light is small enough to fit right in your pocket for when you need it the most. Just press the power button, then the light will come on. Place the light on your dog's harness or collar, and then there you go. In this case, I like to let him run free. I can always keep an eye on him while he's frolicking around in the field. This light is amazingly bright, and here you can see it barely in the low mode. And then we go from low to medium, from medium to high mode, and of course from high mode to turbo. If you're like me, I just love myself a good light, and the HD03 makes a perfect gift idea for anyone who loves the outdoors or just love gadgets like me. I'll leave a link in the description below. Oh, and they also come in several different colors too. Try this light today. It won't leave you in the dark.